Ladies and gentlemen, the worst has unfortunately come to pass. America has fallen at the hands of K-17PXVI, as will the rest of the world. Much of the federal government has ceased functioning, and the president has been confirmed dead. The pandemic has beat us. Cases are continuing to rise, and more countries continue to collapse. Society's end is inevitable. Earth will transform into a hellish planet unsuitable for all life. As such, you will no longer be able to rely on the government for protection and necessities. You are on your own now. If you are watching this, thank you for being a part of the American dream, and everything this country stands for. Perhaps, one day, it could be reinstated. But in truth, that day may never come. The world we knew is slipping away, and with it, the last remnants of hope. The systems we relied on, the comforts we took for granted, have crumbled to dust. We are left with nothing but the cold reality of our own survival in a world that no longer has a place for us. The dreams we once held close have withered, like leaves on a dying tree. And the future is as bleak as the silent, empty streets around us. There is no redemption, no silver lining. Only the slow, inevitable descent into darkness. We have reached the end of our story, and the final chapter is one of despair. So, as you face this new, unrecognizable world, know that the past is lost, and the future holds no promises. This is goodbye, not just to America, but to the very idea of what we once believed life could be. May you find peace in the time you have left.